Hi, I'm Michael.
I'm Rena. In this video, we're going to talk about a few things we really like about our van design.
If you haven't seen our van before, check out our van tour here.
So we have been living in our van for almost 2 years, so here are some of the few things that we really like about our van. Let's go! So we really like our pantry. So as you can see, it gives us tons of space to put our sauce, condiment, rice, pasta and stuff. Without the pantry, I don't think we have any space for all these stuff, and we like to cook a lot. Before we do our van life, I have a lot of space for my clothes, and I can't really get rid of most of my clothes yet, so this closet space helps a lot. So I have, you can see I have 5 drawers, and Michael have 1 drawer. Another thing is our sliding door. So this sliding door keeps the heat and the cold out. We don't have any insulation in the front. This door helps to keep the heat and the cold out, and it prevents the dog from getting in the front when we leave them in the van. And it give us a lot of privacy. I see other vans, they will put a curtain and it won't work since our dog likes to sit in the front seat. So this door really helps with privacy, the temperature. We also put a lock here, so it gives us a sense of security when we sleep on the rest area or in the city, out on the street. So another thing that we like about in our van is our countertop space. We spoke before, we love to cook, so counter space is really important to put our stuff. And it also works as a workspace. Even though we have our table there, but we rarely change it back to dinette mode. Now we keep it as a bed mode, so this works as a office space now. So the next thing we really like about our design is our outlet. So we have tons of outlet in our van, throughout the van, so it is just really convenient to make smoothie or charge your phone or charge your laptop. So another design that we really like about our van is my hammock. I have one in the front and then one in the back, and it's just really nice to just have a swing anywhere I go, especially if you have a good view, then you can just swing in front of a good view.
So these are the things that we love the most about our van. Let us know in the comment below what you love the most about our van. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button. Also check out our other video for 7 things that we would do differently on our van design over here. If you want to check out more van life content, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll be publishing more videos just like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.